Today we're going to clean a kn'n air filter. So first step, find the air filter. This one's easy, we've got a kn'n sticker on it. We loosen all the bolts right here and pull this out. This is our air filter. Pretty dirty. K&N's Recharger air filter cleaning kit comes with two products. You have the filter cleaner and the filter oil. So first step, we spray the cleaner liberally over both sides of the air filter, soaking it for about 10 minutes. You want to apply it liberally because you don't want the air filter cleaner to dry on the air filter. It needs to stay wet and then it needs to remain there for a few minutes. Then we're going to wash it out gently with clean water. We're going to shake it off, we're going to allow it to completely dry, and then we'll apply a coat of the air filter oil. Make sure to get the filter media nice and soaked. There we go. You can do a couple more passes if you feel comfortable with that. Now we leave it for 10 minutes. Here we have our filter and we're going to spray it as low pressure as possible with the garden hose. I'm going to spray it from this side out first so that we wash all the dirt this way, down and out. Don't put too much pressure on it. We don't want to damage the filter, but we do want to get it nice and clean. And you can tell already that the color's changing. It's a good sign when we see that soak. It means we're really rinsing it off. The other side. Alright, so this one I'm going to prop up like that and then wash it from the side out and down. So that's our clean air filter. Now we're going to let that dry completely before we oil it up. Quick tip to drying out your air filter is put it on your air conditioning compressor fan for a couple minutes. Looks pretty good. So the drying process took a little bit longer than a couple of minutes, but now that it is dry, we use the filter oil and we're going to spray about 3 or 4 inches away and go along each crown of the filter. So each bar of the filter, just like this. Just like that. And we can wipe away the sides afterwards. So do the one side. And now the second side. I'm going to do a little bit more so that we get a nice uniform red coat. On the filter. Which is kind of what we're looking for, and we can touch up areas as well. On the other side as well. And I'll let that sit for a few minutes. Now we're just going to use a rag, just clean away the sides, off the excess. We'll do this on both sides. And this is the finished uniform red product of what we're looking for. So this will just go back in the air filter compartment right now. Screw that back in and we're all done.